Hello, welcome to Capsim Capstone 2024 top 10 winning tip to gain the top results for on the 8th round. This is video for round 7. Again, so we have top 10 winning tips. You can apply for on rounds. You can apply this tip for on rounds from round 1 to round 8. First, we use the industry condition report and use a free download and use a free file to calculate IND each round and update IND. I show you now. So we have here, you check the industry condition report to make sure the number for your game so may be different from student to student. Basically quite be the same, but maybe professor may change that. So you need to check industry condition report, table 2, and also you need to remember to update with table 3 to move the product to the ideal spot to sell best. So traditional is okay, you can use the number here for 8 round for traditional. But for the other, you need to update low end, high end, performance and size. Remember that low end require update only 2 times in round 3 and round 7. And this is round 7. We did very well in the other round. So now we just keep update the product for round 7, 9.9 for traditional and 10.1. Low end you can update 1 time more, 5 and 15, 1 time in round 3, 1 time in round 7. This is round 7, so we can update that, right? And for the high-end product, you update always let 1 round and also 16.4 and 11.1 for performance, and for size we have 8.9 and 3.6. We have added 5 new products, so now we 3 new products in round 1 to 3. So now it can double the sale and profit in round 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we have top sales and top profit. So we update the product, the second traditional product, the second low-end product, and now the second 16.4, the second performance product. So you check the launching date. That's very important. IND very important. You check the launching date in 30s, okay. And now we set decision for the pricing. You may see it's a little bit different because the professor said advanced marketing, not simple marketing. So you see more table to fill in. And now we have the price 26 and 17 for low end, 36 for high end, 31 for performance and 31 for size, and 17 for the second low end, 26 for the second traditional, and 31 for the second performance. And now we check this. We use up the top, the most. We spend the most for the promotion and sales, so we can lead with the top promotion and sales strategy. You see that more than 100%. So can be 12. This can be maybe 14, maybe 14, maybe 12, maybe 12. Okay, so increase this one. So now we come back to set to calculate the sale forecast. So we check this. We check the sale forecast and calculate that. Again, I show you the result. You see, you get the top result here, much higher than own competitors, and we account for 34%. And also, the stop price go up like this, really high result, right? So now we check the round 7 is easy for us. We just continue with our broad differentiation strategies, right? So we go to round 7. Round 7, I show you how to calculate the sale forecast for each round. You did that. If you watch the other videos, I think you may know it. Now we can continue, right? Calculate the sale forecast. Let's see. We check this. This is okay, quite equal, right? So we can add 1.2 forecast at 20%, and also here. So now we input the number into the game for round 7. So you can find the link under this video to find the video guide for all the other rounds from 1 to 8, 20 to 25. The second 5253, 5253, and we have 983, and then we have 1019, and then 1489, and then 5253, and then we have 2025, and then we have 1019. So that's very good sales, very good sales. And now we check the decision for production. Remember, in Capstone, we already have 2 rounds of demand recession. It's round 3 and round 7. So we have 16, but we are selling very well, so don't worry. 46 and 84, 46, 89, and 714. And now we put the numbers 9, 755 and 4352. 4352, and then we have 1721 and then 604. So we double check that, and have enough, just not enough here, so we check capacity here. We can add 300, enough, 300, enough, right? So that's good. We have enough capacity, enough for automation, so 4600 we increase only for the first low end, so now we check the HR decision, and yeah, we set this for the contract, it's okay, 2300. We use 2.2, give the best for the workers, right? Give the best condition for the workers. And we check finance. Round 6 now is quite simple. We have a lot of cash here, we can pay dividend. That's our strategy. 569 and 0.2 is okay. And we check the cash we have. Yeah, we still have, okay. And we can go to the allot to maintain the operation and avoid any kind of emergency loss. So now we have this one. Income statement. So we have the top sales here very high, 54% of contribution margin and 19.4% of net profit, really very top result. We go overview the top 10 winning tips for Capsim. So use industry condition report, use the free sell file, update R&D, add new product in round 1 to 3, but now round 7, so we just update, right? Set the price, also reduce the price 5-50 cents each round. Calculate the sales forecast, very important. Calculate the first sales forecast and calculate production schedule, add new capacity, and increase automation. We also increase automation. And in the later rounds, we can pay dividend, right? We can pay dividend in round 7 and 8, right? Round 7 and 8. So if you need the support, you can send the email to mbahelp2002@gmail.com. or you can take the update free winning guide and tip to Capsim Guide 2021, capsimguide2021.blogspot.com, or you can use a 1-hour Zoom session. The new for 2023 1-hour Zoom session can guide all the decision for HR, marketing, production, HR, finance, R&D, marketing, production, HR, finance, TKM, explanation for all decision in 1 hour, and then can set decision for 1 round, and then you can continue and win on the 8th round. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.